guy's been trying to get it out.
Yeah.
How long have you been
on? Less than 10 minutes.
Don't feel tight there, is it?
No. I actually loosened it.
Yeah, he got it loose. He just can't get it the rest of the way off.
Can't get it the rest of the way off. It was actually a lot tighter than this. The cuts are from it though. That's nice too, so.
Let's see if we can't find it.
Slip.
Did you try running anything down in there, try to catch that pin?
No. I didn't want to mess with it, make it even tighter than it was.
Yeah, it's
pretty tight. I was just messing around with it, and then I noticed that it wasn't fake cuffs, it was real, and we don't have a key for it.
Yeah, see, there's that key goes in, and it picks that pin up off of these. Shut up, Steve. I hate you.
You're the one that's doing it. I was using the bathroom. I was using the bathroom. He goes, Steve, we got a problem. And I was like, what? He goes, I got these handcuffs stuck. And I was like, all right, well, we're going to the fire department then.
You want me to walk in?
Once you pop out, come inside here. Let's try one thing. We've done the bolt cutters before, but I remember the bolt cutters on this block. Yeah. Please don't have anything that they can have anything that would.
I think this regular key would do it, wouldn't it?
I would think it would. Let's try one thing, see if we can pick up.
Yeah, because it just looks like.
That's the key marble on there.
Yeah.
They finally get a medic down here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep, you set up reserve.
Oh, okay. I don't know if they want you to go back with them or not. We're just here. Recording. No. Here, I'm going back with.
Gouge at me.
If this doesn't work, your next two options are going to be, we would cut them off, but I know the cutters we have are not going to be intricate enough to cut those. I wouldn't want to do it because we'll end up, I'm afraid to end up with those cutters and we'll end up doing something.
Yeah.
Making things worse.
Well, I was doing pretty good with this little thing here. I mean, I was getting caught.
He just, I mean, he got it. Well, he got it loose, but you know, I mean, he just couldn't get the rest of the way.
The first thing I do would be just go down to the police station.
Okay.
And just.
I'll get a
Chances are
small screwdriver.
you're not going to be the first one that's walked in there, and they're going to have some problems.
Well, and that's what I told him. I was like, you know, he goes, well, I'm not going to the fire department. I was like, they've seen stupider stuff. You know, Ashley Baker?
Yeah.
He's one of the captains up at Newton Township. I'm a junior up there.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah. Yeah, I like him. He's pretty cool.
You see something long enough to get in there, the nail is just too thin.
That's pretty interesting.
thin enough. Yeah.
Yeah, you got part of it.
I think we can
Should be able to catch.
work it out of that now.
Alright, thanks guys.
Yep.
Here, why don't you give me these that way you don't hurt yourself. Alright, thanks.